I want to give you a quick look at this smart toilet. So first, as you just saw, it has a sensor on it for motion detection. So as soon as you walk up to your toilet, it's going to open the lid for you. And it's got this sensor right here on the toilet seat. It is a bidet as well. Okay, so it has front and back cleaning functions. It also has an air dryer and a seat warmer. You can also control all of the settings for these things, okay? So for the front and back washer, you can make it so it's just a solid stream, or you can make it so it oscillates, it moves back and forth, just for a like a broader cleaning area. You can control the temperature of your water, whether you want it to be cooler, whether you want it to be warmer. Same thing for your seat. You can also control the pressure of your water. So for the bidet, do you want more pressure? Do you want less pressure? Lots of great options. There is also like energy efficient settings, half flush, or it can do a full flush. So a half flush is just going to basically do a flush once and be done. And then if you do a full flush, it's going to cycle twice. It also has a built-in deodorizing function that is by default turned on. Anytime someone sits down, it's automatically going to turn that feature on. And of course, all of these features, you can turn them off as well. So if you don't want to have the foot sensor, because like for instance, mine is right in front of this cabinet. So every time I walk to this cabinet, my toilet seat lid is going to open. If you didn't want that to happen, you can turn off the sensor function. For the most part, all of the functions are going to be controlled by the remote control here, and the remote control does come with hardware to install onto the wall. You can either stick it on or you can screw it on. It's magnetic, okay? So here is like the wall plate that you're either gonna stick on or screw on that will just magnetically attach to it. So many great functions on the toilet. Everything is super customizable. While you're gonna use your remote control for most of the settings, all of the toilets, like basic toilet usage settings, can also be done from the remote and from the toilet itself. There is also a button over here on the side, your lid opening for your flushing, for your washing. There is also the sensor over here. One of the absolute best parts of this toilet though is that it cleans itself. Yes, that's right. It will sanitize itself. Now that to me is a smart toilet. As far as the toilet installation goes, the toilet part itself is very basic and not much different to a regular, just non-smart toilet. There are a couple things that you're going to want to be mindful of though. So if you don't have a GFCI installed next to your toilet already, you're definitely going to want to have an electrician come in and get one set up for you. Obviously the toilet is going to need electricity to run properly. And because it's gonna fill the water and it also has the bidet, there are going to be two water connections, but the toilet does come with a three-way, so you don't have to have any additional like water lines installed or anything like that. It's just gonna take that extra hose. You're gonna use the three-way and hook it up to your existing water line, so that's pretty easy. But this thing is definitely super awesome. It's super cool. My kids have been totally getting a kick out of this. So whether you are looking to do an upgrade to your bathroom or whether you're just looking to spoil your tutti frutti booty, you definitely want to get yourself one of these toilets. You're not going to regret it. This was actually sent to me as a gift from the brand, so I can check it out, so I can give you a look at it too.